Hey Wellness fam! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie, your oily BFF, farm living diffuser queen, and your guide to making your home smell amazing naturally. Today we're diving into something fun and totally feel good, how to create diffuser blends. I'll walk you through the basics, give you 3 refreshing summer blends, and show you how easy it is to turn diffusing into a daily self-care habit. Diffusing 101, the basics of blending. So creating your own diffuser blends is kind of like mixing a signature scent, but it's better because these blends don't just smell good, they support your health too. Here's the basic formula to get you started. So there's the top note. These are uplifting and fast-acting. So think of citrus oils like lemon or grapefruit. Then the middle note, these are the heart of the blend. These are herbs or florals like lavender or geranium or even sage. And lastly, the base note. These are grounding plus long-lasting, like cedarwood, frankincense, or patchouli. Start with 2 to 4 drops of each oil, but you can totally customize based on what you love and what your body or mood is calling for. Now, I have 3 summer diffuser blends that I know you'll love. These blends scream summer vibes. They are tried and true favorites in my home, and they do more than just smell like sunshine. So, first one, Sunshine Citrus. There's 3 drops of lemon, 2 drops of grapefruit, and 2 drops of peppermint. Now, this blend supports mood boost, mental clarity, and energy. It smells like a glass of sparkling citrus water by the pool. Blend number 2 is Cool and Collected. There's 3 drops spearmint, 2 drops lime, and 2 drops basil. Now, this supports focus, clear breathing, and emotional calm. This smells like a cool breeze on a warm afternoon. And then the last blend is Summer Garden Spa. 2 drops lavender, 2 drops geranium, and 2 drops cedarwood. Now, this supports calming, hormone balance, and grounding. It smells like a summer stroll through a blooming garden. Now, tips to make diffusing easy peasy, even with a busy schedule. First up is set up multiple diffusers, one in your bedroom, one in your kitchen, and maybe one in your workspace or bathroom. Now, second, make a blend box. Pre-mix your favorite combos in a little dropper bottle for easy grab and go use. I also stage my diffusing areas with a water decanter or a recycled wine bottle filled with water, and then this allows water to be available for diffusing at point of use. And third tip, create rituals. Diffuse wake up sunshine in the morning or chill out in the evening, or a focus blend during work hours. Think of your diffuser like your wellness DJ. It sets the vibe for the day. Ready to become a blend boss? Drop a flower emoji in the comments if you're excited to try one of these summer blends, or share your favorite combo. And hey, if you want a downloadable summer diffuser recipe card set, I've got one for you. Just comment "blend me" and I'll send it your way. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss a cozy moment of wellness goodness. Until next time, breathe deep and blend happy. Bye for now and keep those good vibes flowing.